Hello?
I'm just gonna dump the rest in there because why not?
What's ridiculous?
Honey, good morning. So welcome back. We are going to start off with some breakfast. And if you are new here, definitely hit that notification bell because I upload every single Wednesday. And when I have the day off, I do premieres so I can chat with you guys as soon as it goes live. So without further ado, let's get this breakfast going. And while that is toasting, I'm gonna cut up our avocado. I typically just slice it like this. Oh, perfect. So the easiest way to do it is just go around with a spoon. We're just gonna spread it out. So from here, we're gonna take this everything but the bagel seasoning and we're gonna be very generous because it just adds so much extra flavor. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. This is so good.
Hello? Exact same thing. And most
Hello.
Yeah.
Is that on?
Yeah. Oh,
Now
absolutely.
this.
Yeah, it's on.
Okay, so I
Hello there. Hi.
Hi everyone. So this is my little sister Molly.
Hi.
right.
And I love my brother,
Yep.
Zach.
I'm your favorite, right?
Yeah. Playing basketball with Zachary.
And the dogs. And Emma.
And cooking with my brother.
Yeah, what are we gonna cook?
I don't know.
Hold it a little bit further up. Yeah, like that.
Anything.
Anything?
Anything my siblings are thinking about.
We got the dogs out here. Yeah, I like it like that. Hey!
Nice.
Nice! First try. Nice, Molly.
I'll try.
You are awesome, kid.
Thank you.
You been practicing a lot?
No.
Hey, well, you're still good. You want to shoot it from there? Yeah. No. Come on, try it.
Miss it.
That's okay. All right, shoot it.
It's not gonna go very. Oh, I didn't realize that was full.
Don't hit yourself.
Oh,
Close.
close.
Hi, everyone. So this is my niece, Emma.
Hello.
What was your first memory with me?
I don't know.
No, do you remember when I used to be your nanny?
No.
Do you remember when we went to New York? We went
Yes, I remember that.
All right,
And
tell
then-
them that story.
Okay, so we went to New York for New Year's Eve, and it was really fun. We went ice skating. I fell down a bunch, and
In Grand Central Park.
yes,
And that was your first time ice skating, wasn't it?
yeah. And after that, I didn't ice skate for a few years because wasn't good at it. Then I tried again, like this year, and I'm not that bad. I don't think so, at least. So it's really fun, and I remember being in like the hotel room, counting down on the TV, and yeah, it was really fun. Today, hanging out at Grandma's house, and right now we're playing basketball.
We might be making cookies with your mom, which is my sister, Shana.
Yes.
My little sister, Molly, is here. And of course, this is my mom's house, so your grandma's house.
Yeah.
We're just hanging out with the dogs, playing
the
some
farm.
basketball on the farm.
Uh-huh. So here's what it looks like.
So they live on 10 acres. As you can see, there's definitely plenty of land. We used to have horses back here. Yeah, this is my basketball net that I used to practice on when I was in high school. This is a big barn that we have. We have a couple other sheds and barns, and then we also have a chicken coop, that little building right over there. That's also on our property.
So yeah, just having fun and hanging out with the family.
That's right. Yeah.
Sit. 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 Sit.
Should not have put on their new collars. They got a little bit muddy.
This is my mom's dog, Bella. She's a poodle, right, Molly? Standard poodle. What's your favorite song right now?
My favorite song? I do like country and rock.
All right, if they had to listen to one song right now, what would it be?
Oh, one song?
Yeah.
Breaking Free,
Breaking Free? Who's that by?
Rascal Flatts.
All right. You heard it here. You better go listen to Breaking Free by Rascal Flatts.
I like all music.
Yeah, she is a huge music fan. All right, guys, well, we are heading inside and we will see you soon.
Bye. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
All right, so I'm gonna pour this in
Okay.
as you stir with the fork, okay?
Okay.
Get stirring.
Stir it up. Stir it up.
So what's in here, Molly?
Cinnamon, probably.
Cinnamon, probably. So there's oatmeal, cinnamon, sugar, butter, flour.
Yep, flour.
Probably a little bit of salt.
There's some yummy apples over here, already all pre-cut.
Chopped up, frozen from Grandma's kitchen.
All right, Molly, so we are throwing the crisp on the apples, right?
Yep.
Is this your specialty dessert?
There was 2 pies. Apple crisp, apple pie.
So Shana, my sister, is my godmother.
Godmother.
And I am her daughter, Ashlyn's godfather.
Godfather.
So we are all together just baking. Molly's showing us how to make apple crisp.
I love to cook and bake.
And we're trying to get Emma to start her own YouTube channel.
Yes. Hi, I'm Emma, and today we're going to be making chocolate chip cookies. First thing we need is 2 1/4 cups of unsifted flour.
Now listen now. Protect your
1/2 cup. Wait.
Or
Teaspoon
No, I'm happy you
of
did.
baking soda. Put that in.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure only.
1/2 teaspoon of salt.
7.
Okay. 1 cup, 2 sticks of softened butter.
And you can see.
1
Now, Caesar salad.
second one.
Spaghetti.
And I use 3 of the 1/4 cups
Reduce
for sugar.
I love
1 cup.
Good job.
2
Now, I
cups,
just-
3 cups. 3/4 brown sugar. I'm gonna set that on aside and get a little bowl. In this bowl, we're gonna actually be making the brown sugar. So first, we need 3/4 cups of sugar.
Whoa, homemade brown sugar.
Yes, 3. Now we need a little splash of
And then how fun to have like
molasses. I believe that's how you say it.
Is still in the bed? I read.
They're all over the place.
We'll be back in 1 second. Okay, so let's bring the recipe back in. So we made
Hi, Saya.
our brown sugar, which is right here. It's actually looking pretty good. 2 spoons of vanilla extract. Do that. So we have something organic, pure vanilla. 2. Okay, I'm back. I already poured the eggs in, so now we have to do chocolate chip. 4 cups. Let's get dump the rest in there, because why not? Just only a couple extras.
Molly and Zach are up next. Oh, they need a few minutes.
So we are having a checker tournament, which is super fun. So where is the roster? Somebody crinkled it up because they lost.
Look at me.
It wasn't Emma. So Emma and Tori played. Tori won. Ashyln and Shana are playing currently, so that should be done shortly. And then I play Molly. We'll record it to make sure that we remember.
Yeah.
All right, so we have finished up the apple crisp. Molly, how's it tasting?
Good.
Good?
Yep.
Yeah, how long? Oh, Grandma's making a fire. Mom, do you need any help?
No. I got it.
Molly, should we help Mom with make the fire?
No.
It's done. I don't even know if we need it right now. I'm still hot. Are you guys? Or
I am more than fine.
it would be nice. Okay.
Yeah, it'd be nice. Molly, 1 out of 10, how good is the apple crisp?
Eating apple crisp.
Mom, hang on.
You have no idea what you can ask Don. That's how she's talking.
I know. I'm having Molly answer it.
It's a month ago or 2. We're still talking about it. I think I ate her apple. This will be well. There's a thing. There's a box. Yeah, if you want.
Are we
to
on a
just
comedy show right now? This is ridiculous.
What's ridiculous? What is ridiculous?
Oh, man.
Now I know where she gets it from because I'm now I caught it back.
Other side. Is it cloud?